Good day everyone, I am Andre Julianes and I am with
I am Nicole Eya Duabe.
And
I am Scarlett B. Faria.
and this is our repetition on values.
Aesthetic values, moral values, and AI use. Our philosophical question is, can AI help us understand beauty and moral values? Our claim is, AI can help, but it cannot feel or fully understand beauty and morality like humans do. To support this, let's look at aesthetics. Philosopher von Hildebrand argues that beauty is felt through personal experience, not just by observing patterns. In other words, beauty isn't only about what we see, it is about how it moves us emotionally. Example, AI can generate a painting that looks beautiful on the surface. It can mimic colors, shapes, and styles perfectly. But even if the AI painting is technically perfect, it doesn't move people emotionally the way a human artist's work can. But even if the AI painting is technically perfect, it doesn't move people emotionally the way a human artist's work can. The AI doesn't experience beauty, it only simulates it. This shows that AI can assist us in exploring beauty, maybe by showing new ideas or patterns, but it cannot fully understand or feel it like we do.
The example implies that AI can create beautiful art, but real aesthetic values comes from human emotional experiences. Supporting point, AI can analyze moral situations, but understanding and valuing honesty, justice, and compassion requires human experiences. Our example is that AI can suggest fair solutions, but it cannot feel the emotional experience of guilt, empathy, and helping or harming someone. This implies that real or true moral understanding requires personal human reflection and emotional engagement.
Our insight on aesthetics. Beauty is meaningful because it moves human emotionally, not just because it looks perfect. Our insight on moral, justice, and compassion is valuable only when humans feel responsible and act on moral values. And for our conclusions, AI can assist in exploring values, but humans must personally experience beauty and morally to fully understand them. And for our application, so starting today, I will reflect on the emotions behind art and the ethical impact on my choices.